Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the zoo. Alright, let me sort myself out. Alright, let's go this way. The benefits of actually coming to a zoo or a touristy area during the cold season, man, there's hardly any tourists. But you know for a fact, during summertime, or zomer as the Dutch would call it, packed, you can just tell. But yeah, let's document this. Oh, you know, sometimes with this solo travel can get very lonely, no doubt about it. You know, sometimes I wonder where Jabi is. And I've mentioned Jabi in previous videos, and people are probably wondering, love, or, you know, I consider Jabi like a soulmate, to be fair. And she just got confused with people around her. But I know Jabi watches my videos secretly. I don't know where you are, but I hope you're well and I hope you're safe. And I hope these videos that I make inspire you and inspire others. Just get out there and just live life, man, because I tell you what, everyone's going to be old one day, and some people might not even reach it to elderly age. So why not live life, man? But do it tactically, you know? I mean, I paid £111, flights, all inclusive, and all I have to do is firm the cold weather. But at least I'm here. At least now I can tick it off. At least if I'm ever on my deathbed, I can say, you know what, I've been to Budapest. You know, so bear that in mind, people. I am freezing cold. It is very cold here. Very cold here. But I feel the zoo deserves what we'll do then, people, right? We'll do a loop, and on the way back we'll get the camera out and we'll get some shots done. What else do we have up here? Do you know I got a love for animals, people? Animals are very special. What's this? What do we have here? Where are you at? In Dutch, the term for animal is dieren. So here are some dieren. Teach a little bit of Dutch. Okay, parrots. Kind of seen them already back in London. Let's see if we can find something unique. I may have to delete a few videos because my memory is low on the GoPro, but we'll make use of what we have. What's this? Wow, I never thought I'd be in such an empty zoo, but hey, it makes good GoPro footage, innit? Like having so many tourists all up in your face, and, you know. But yeah, let's flip it. Howdy. Oh, cold. Very cold. Very cold. Right, if I can't see any animals per se, and I can't even see them doing their thing, I'm gonna be a bit annoyed. But we've got to try and discover it. What's this? Ooh, where you animals at, man? Hold on. Okay. Ducks, not really my thing. Animals, where you at? Where you hiding? Ugh. I gotta keep switching my hand because it's just how cold it is. Sometimes even with gloves, you just have to just double check on things. Like you might accidentally press the wrong button or on something. One of my cool co-workers named Keyshaw made a very good point. He made a very good point in regards to money and experience in life and stuff. You remember he mentioned to me about, oh, what's that? I remember he mentioned to me about you know, don't worry about the money, it's all about the memories and the experience and whatnot. That's what matters, you know. He's like, we're all gonna get old, you're gonna get old, but it's the memories that keep you together, keeps everything together. And he's right, because it's like, when if I reach the age of 50, if that, I probably won't be able to walk and do all these sort of things, man. Who knows? Do you know what, people with my life, who knows where it's gonna go and what's it gonna do, you know? I struggle with, every now and then I struggle with depression. I understand people, it's, you know, it's like a broken record, everyone suffers from it in some way, and people's, you know what I mean? But for me, a lot of it was just down to bad events in life and trauma, etc., and even abandonment. I just got very confused with life in terms of how to live, you know, how to be. Do I be nice? And I used to be very nice to people, and then I just got screwed over so many times. I know I mentioned shit like this in my previous videos, but it's good for understanding the mystery one. But wherever I go in life in particular, I'm always cautious of my safety at all times. Oh, hello. Hey, duck. How you doing? Cute. I wish I knew Hungarian. I got a couple of Hungarian co-workers though. A couple of Hungarian females who I work with. One kind of just doesn't talk to me at all, and the other one used to talk to me very much, and then her attitude just changed all of a sudden. Shit like that I don't like, man. I don't like it when people influence another person. Oh, hello. What do we have here? I want to find the monkeys, man. I want to find where these monkeys are at, if they have any. Yeah, animals are very special, people. Hello. They snatched my GoPro. One of these animals gonna get a little MMA if necessary, but I doubt it. Hello. I would put my GoPro up close, but I don't want it getting snatched. Also, I would love to buy these lots some food, but I don't know. You see, with some zoos, man, some zoos are very strict policy when it comes to feeding the animals. I mean, they do it themselves anyway, based off commission and ticket prices and fees and all that people pay, so it must go to the food. But yeah, you don't want to give it you don't want to give none of these amazing animals any bad foods, you know. What's that? Kangaroo, yeah. Kangaroo's like my favorite animal. We're going there. I'm sorry people, but we're going there. Okay. Kangaroo, where you at, kangaroo? Where the kangaroos at? Where you lot hiding? What's in there? Wait, let's go back. Die, you can go in. They're in there. I can see two. What's going on there? When do they let them out? You know, people. Because my time is very limited, I thought, you know, it would make sense to just tick this place off, like tick the zoo off, because I don't want to leave it to like peak times and then I'm lining up and an hour has gone by and then I'm like, fuck, you know, time is against me. As tomorrow I fly back to the UK. Fly back to the UK, prepare for an awkward shift on Sunday, if I'm in on Sunday. Okay, let's go over this way. Yeah. Budapest has been overall positive, but very cold. I can kind of tell this video is going to be a bit dry due to the lack of animals that I'm noticing and seeing, but hey, I tried, didn't it? At least this is an awareness for people who don't come to the zoo during like these cold seasons. I don't know, maybe the animals don't want to come out, innit? It's too cold. Maybe they're used to the warmth. But kind of guy they didn't get. I saw a kangaroo, but kind of guy I didn't get to see up close. But what can you do? What's that? What's in here? I can see them right up there somewhere. Do you know, I need some tea. Right, gonna come back, but I'm really cold holding this camera, so I shall come back again.